Hello traders, Matt Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is Tuesday the 14th of March 2017, and the trap we're going to take a look at today is one in this area here. It's called a major structure failure trap, and essentially major structure failure occurs when you've got a directional market, so people will be very keen watching the market because the moves are nice and obvious, and then you have some type of retracement, and usually it's off the underside of a level in a down move like this, and it gives the impression to the it's essentially the retracement trader that you're trying to catch. They would have believed that it was going to follow through at that point. And as you can see, there was some negative trading there. It looks like a bit of an engulfing candle. So off the underside of historical, what people believe to be support, breaks, becomes resistance, and then boom, major vertical move away. So anyone who went short in there is essentially trapped. So as price comes back into this location, what are they going to do, right? Well, the same thing everyone would do. And if price gets back into this area here, they're going to bail out at break even, and if they do that, that's going to equal demand, because if you were a seller and you've been holding that loser, then all this time, right, the psychology of that, when it comes back into that area, you're going to bail out or break even, and that's what's going to create the pop. Now, it's also a big level since the Brexit lows in June was it last year, June, July? I forget now. But anyway, down at this 120 level. So I imagine that's going to be a fairly major level. Psychologically, it's a big level. People will be going long off there. People would also be taking profits from any potential shorts, right? So if people have sold off resistance, imagine that's a really nice level of resistance. It is a level of resistance. I'm not sure how nice it is without zooming out, but hit twice, people would sell off that. If you were a seller up in this area, right, you took that short, where would you consider a decent place to take profit? And I would suggest it's probably on the other side of what seems to be this big old range. So if you then, just to follow through with that logic, if you sold off there, then you must buy to exit, and that's creating more demand, right? And then people are going to go long, and it's all going to be a big demand fest. So this looks decent. If you get into this area and you get some type of reaction off it, you might want to take a look at an entry in around that area. So if you'd like to learn more about how we've hacked the strategies of the masses, click the link below. Come and join me in my brand new inner circle, and I'll see you on the inside.